Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix lags and boost FPS for gaming into your computer. So how we will going to do it? I will go for two simple steps that can help you to boost your performance and fix the lag issues. So first, what you can do, just simply come over into search option and going to search for Windows features. And then you will get the option called turn on Windows feature on or off. So if you click on that, there will be a Windows pops up, and you can see here is the option called Hyper-V. So I will turn it off, but if in your computer if it's turned on, then simply turn it off and then click OK. The first step is gone. Now we'll go for the second step, and you should need to come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that, you just need to come over into privacy and security, and then you need to go for Windows security. After that, you just need to come over into device security, and from here you will get an option called core isolation. So if you just click on core isolation details, now here is the pick is memory integrity. So if you turn it up, what will happen? It will boost your FPS, but it will risk you for your security. So if you don't have problem with the security, and if you want your computer gaming performance FPS boost up, then just simply turn it off, click yes for the permission, and now you are getting a very good FPS for your gaming. So now what you can do, you just simply restart your PC and your problem will be solved. So this is how you can fix lag and boost your gaming performance in Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.